Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of We Take You with RDC. So today we are going to talk about Olympics 2020, which is happening in Tokyo, Japan. Well, it was planned to happen in 2020, but because of this pandemic, now it's happening in 2021. As we know, in Olympics there are so many sports events, and the participant who will get the first, second and third position are getting medals. So the third position will get the bronze medal, the second position will get the silver medal, and the first position will get the gold medal. But do you know how these medals are created? Well, this is very interesting actually. To know about it, let's kick off today's video. Well, the Tokyo Organizing Committee of Olympic and Paralympic Games conducted the Tokyo 2020 Medal Project. So this is a project where their aim was to collect small electronic devices like mobile phones, laptops, tablets and any such electronic devices that contains any kind of PCB and circuit. So they tried this project all over the Japan and collected electronic waste devices for this event. So all these medals are created from these electronic waste materials. So the duration of this project was 2 years, between April 2017 to March 2019. And 100% of the metals required to manufacture the medals, they are collected from these e-wastes that are collected. So they created 5,000 gold, silver and bronze medals, and that was created from all these electronic devices contributed by the people of Japan. Every single medal that is to be awarded to the athletes during the Tokyo 2020 Games, well, all these are created from recycled metals. This project of recycling small consumer electronics efforts to contribute to one environment-friendly and sustainable society, and this will form a part of the legacy of the Tokyo 2020 Games. Well, the project was actually started from 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2019, and the amount of devices collected was huge. They collected approximately 80 tons of electronic devices across Japan, and approximately 6.21 million used mobile phones were collected by NTT Docomo shops across Japan. And the participation number was so huge that 90% of the municipalities of Japan were participated in this nationwide project. Well, the process of this project was like this. First of all, they collected the devices that people want to contribute. Then they classified the devices according to what are the things, like one part is mobile phone, then laptop, tablets or any devices. That's how they classified it. Then they started dismantling these electronic devices, and they extracted the PCBs and plastics differently. After that, from those PCBs they extracted the metals, and after getting the metals they did some refining process, and after that we got our required pure metal. And the amount of metal collected was actually huge. They collected approximately 32 kg of gold and 3500 kg of silver and approximately 2200 kg of bronze, which was enough to create 5,000 medals for this Olympics. So after dismantling the devices, the metals are used for creating the medals. So what about the rest of the garbages, the plastics and all other things? Well, Japan is smart enough to use these waste in the Olympics event as well. So all the podiums that are used in the Olympics are made of recycled plastics that are extracted from these electronic devices. This idea of Japan makes Tokyo Olympics more interesting. Well, think about it. They are also thinking about the games as well as their innovation as well as the environment. That's so good. Well, I have told you about electronic waste and its management and its solutions in this video. And if you have not watched it, then the link is in the description to check out the video. And that's all about our today's video. And if you liked it, then don't forget to click on that like button, share it with your friends. And if you have any thoughts, any suggestions, the comment section is all yours. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. So see you in the next one. Till then, be cool or smart.